Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and here we have to tap on About Phone. As you can see here, we've got MIUI version, and all you have to do is keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer now. As you can see, we just activated the developer mode, so we can go back to the settings, and here we have to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down, and as you can see, we've got developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got a lot of advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can change window animation, scale, show pointer location, or visual feedback for tabs. If you want to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it is immediately applied. Of course, you can turn it off by tapping on the switcher again. If you can see the option without the switcher, for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. Okay, so if you are done with customization of developer options, just go back to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher to turn them off. Let's get it back. They are still here, but after getting back to the settings and entering additional ones, the developer options simply disappear. If you want to customize them again, just go back to the MIUI version step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.